To show number 60, one heaven bead and one earthen bead on tens place will touch the skyline and bring 4 earthen beads on ones place down and heaven bead on ones place up to show 0 on ones place. This is number 60. To show number 61, one heaven bead and one earthen bead on tens place will touch the skyline to show 6 on tens place and bring one earthen bead on ones place up to show 1 on ones place. This is number 61. To show number 62, one heaven bead and one earthen bead on tens place touch the skyline and bring one more earthen bead on ones place up to show 2 on ones place. This is number 62. To show number 63, one heaven bead and one earthen bead on tens place will touch the skyline and bring one more earthen bead on ones place up to show 3 on ones place. This is number 63. To show number 64, one heaven bead and one earthen bead on tens place will remain same and bring one more earthen bead upward to show 4 on ones place. This is number 64. To show number 65, one heaven bead and one earthen bead on tens place will remain as it is. Bring all the earthen bead of ones place down and make heaven bead of ones place to touch the skyline to show 5 on ones place. This is number 65. To show number 66, one heaven bead and one earthen bead on tens place as well as on ones place will touch the skyline. This is number 66. To show number 67, one earthen bead and one heaven bead on tens place touch the skyline and bring one more earthen bead on ones place up to show 7 on ones place. This is number 67. To show number 68, one heaven bead and one earthen bead on tens place touch the skyline and bring one more earthen bead on ones place up to show 8 on ones place. This is number 68. To show number 69, one heaven bead and one earthen bead on tens place will remain same on tens place and bring one more earthen bead on ones place up to show 9 on ones place. This is number 69.